Hi Jain friends, my name is Asu Anand and today I am going to talk about my personal experience about afcat examination. I cleared my afcat examination 2021 first and I scored 191 marks. So today I'll talk about how I scored 191 marks and I will also share my proper strategy with you guys and my book list which I followed during my preparation. So I'll start from a beginning. So first of all, we should know about the section of afcat examination. It consists four sections. First one is reasoning, which consists 32 questions. Second one is math, which consists 18 questions. Third one is English, which consists 25 questions, and last one is general knowledge, which consists 25 questions. The total marks is 300 and hardly the cut-off marks goes around 50 to 55%. It means to say that 150 to 165 or 70 hardly. So first of all, I would like to say that this examination is totally depend on your mind. That if a person is not good in mathematics, he can skip, and he can also clear this examination. What I felt that this examination is quite simple as compared to the other defense examination. If you focus and also do proper this tackle this examination with proper strategy. So first of all, I would like to tell you about the main thing, which is reasoning part and it consists 32. So gentlemen, here I would like to share my book list which I followed during my preparation. So the first one is afcat's common handbook, okay, and this book consists all chapters your reasoning part, your mathematics, your English, and your general knowledge. So this book is quite good. If you will purchase this book, then this book will be very beneficial. The another book which I followed is this one, previous year book. You can easily purchase it on Flipkart, and there are lots of questions for practice, and this very exam oriented book. And another book which I followed for English is this Neetu ma'am's book, and another one is this black book for my vocabulary. So this book is sufficient for your English and mathematics. You can solve mock paper for to boost your performance. Like I used to solve mock test from test book, and which helped me a lot, I can say that. And yes, so first of all we should talk about what exam consists. Like I have already made a list of, here I would like to show you. And so friends, this is syllabus, and so here I already told that 32 question will consist of reasoning. So the basically the question comes from embedded figure, dot figure, and analogy, odd and out, Venn diagram, series. Like there were two types of series. First one is verbal, and another one is non-verbal series. So these sections are very easy and you can score good marks in reasoning section. Another section comes which is mathematics. So first of all I would like to say that mathematics consists only arithmetics. So these are the chapters from where 1 to 2 question will come. The first one is speed and distance, time and work, average, percentage, CPSP, decimal fraction, ratio and proportional. Another section is English. So basically in English it is also a scoring subject. So question comes from error detection, filling the blanks where you will fill vocabulary and also preposition. One passage will come and there will be one or two OWS, one or two idioms. There will be one or two spellings, and synonyms, antonyms will also come. and there will be a close test. So close test was very easy, so you can score good marks in close test as well. The next part is general knowledge, which is very vast topic. So from every section like history, geography, politics, and science, economics, defense, current affairs is very rare. One or two question comes from this particular chapter. And there are I would like to say that there are certain topics from where every year questions come. So the topics are name of famous personality. So every year in afcat question comes from this particular area, talking about country capital, talking about dance form of India, sport terms and number of players in sport, books and authors, and there is very lots of question from static GK. So overall, I would like to say that the part is very this part is very big. If you will read all the things, then this is not beneficial. So you can do one thing, that there are lots of platform, and from where you can get very crisp type notes for the particular FCAT examination, where you will get that you will get only one liner questions, so you can easily remember. And also the question pattern is totally different from FCAT examination. Here question pattern is something like SSC examination. I would like to suggest you guys, if you are preparing for SSC also, so this exam is not that much difficult for you guys. And if you will prepare for if you will prepare here I would like to also talk about English paper. So vocabulary portion you can cover from black book, and also from Neetu ma'am's book. This is sufficient for FCAT examination. And for mathematics, which book I saw on you in the video, which is FCAT of Arihant publication, and also FCAT previous year question of Disa publication. If you will solve all the previous year question and the exercise question of that book, then that will be sufficient and more than enough. You can score very good marks in that, from that book also. Talking about reasoning part, so you don't I will not say that you will not need to work on these part also. So for reasoning you can do one thing, that if when you will solve the mock test, and you will get a broad idea about all the topics. And last thing I would like to say, that if you will solve your mock test, you will get broad idea about the examination, and you will definitely score good in your real examination. And one thing I would like to tell you, that you can score 200 plus marks by solving only 67 questions. 67 question is more than enough to score you 200 plus marks. So what I also used to do in my earlier attempts, so I used to take more negative questions, so which was very dangerous for the result. And if you will solve just 67 question, you will score 200 plus marks. So it means to say that you have to skip more than 30 question. It if so The thing is, the you can say that sutra of getting good marks in FCAT is skipping process. If you will skip the question, you will get more if you will not skip the question, you will get more negative marks, which is very dangerous for your result. So guys, this was my strategy and my book list which I followed during my examination. So my purpose of making this video is to aware the people about the FCAT examination, because the lack of knowledge, I had also the same issue earlier, but after clearing this examination, I want that many friends which are not aware about such a things, so he can also clear the examination. So this channel is very new, and today I made this channel, and so I would like to request all of you to subscribe this channel so we can prepare, we can do preparation together, and I'll upload more videos regarding FCAT and other competitive examination related to the defense forces. Thank you. Jai Hind.